If you're looking for a functional sedan with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2020 Subaru Crosstrek Premium in crystal white pearl. With fully automatic headlamps, body color bumpers, 17-inch aluminum wheels, roof rack, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6.5-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, Subaru STARLINK smartphone integration, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3229A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.